41st question. 24th term is twice the 10th term. Show that 72nd term. We have to show that 72nd term is 4 times its 15th term. This we have to show. This is given. So now substitute the values. A24 means
A plus
A
23D.
plus 23D.
A plus 23D, and that is equal to twice of A10. A10 is
A plus 9D.
A plus 9D. Simplify this. A plus 23D is equal to 2A plus 18D. So minus A is equal to 18D minus 23D. That is equal to minus 5D is equal to minus A, minus cancel. The value of A is equal to 5D. This is equation 1. Now what we have to calculate? 72 and 15th term. So first find out 72nd term. That is equal to A plus 71D. A is 5D plus 71D. So this is equal to 76D. Is this right? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 15th term. That is A plus 14D. What is A? 5D plus 14D. That is equal to 19D. Now what is the relation between 19D and 76D? 76D is equal to A into 19D. Or you can write as A72 by A15. That is equal to A17 is 76D by 19D. D get cancelled. It's 4 So therefore A72 is equal to 4 times 15th term. It's clear? Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down. I think the question I told till 40. Yesterday, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You had asked us to.
Yeah, if it's possible, you can complete it.
Yes, ma'am. I have completed it.
You have completed. Very good.
Ma'am, even I completed.
Good,
Even
Manisha.
I completed, ma'am.
I completed.
Good.
Even I completed, ma'am.
Okay. Sharad also completed. Medha also completed. Ashit, your mic is not working. Is your mic work? Oh. So your question first. Question you need to know. Then only you will get the. You have the RD. Anyone or this one Harshit or new one? Two more students joined today. Do you have RD Sharma? Otherwise, I need to send you. This was the question. That is 24th term of an AP is twice its 10th term. Show that its 72nd term is 4 times 15th term. So this is we have to show. What is they have given? First use that given things. 24th term, that means A24 is equal to twice of A10th. 10th term, that is A10 we write it as. Here between A and 24 there is no relation. So that is only the representation of 24th term. And here we will get to know the chair number is 23. So we have to use the formula. I always call the position a chair number. So A plus 23D is equal to 2 into 10th term is A plus 10 minus 1, that is 9D. And this is 24 is 24 minus 1, that is 10D, because we have the nth term formula as an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We don't know A, we don't know D, but we know n. So this value is n. So this is 24th term. So n is 24 and here n is 10. So we have to substitute and simplify. When we simplify, we got A is equal to 5D. Now this relation, we have to use it for proving this. So we have to find out RHS, LHS separately. LHS is A72. So we have to calculate the 72D. Simplify that we got as 76D. Then 15th term, find out the 15th term. 15th term is A plus 14D. That is, when we simplify, we will get 19D. So when it is 19D and this one, so what is the relation between them? So if we divide them, you will get the 4 value. So therefore, A 72nd term divided by 15th term is equal to 4. Or you can solve as RHS and LHS separately and show them equal. Clear? Harshit, clear? Okay. Now after that, 42nd term. 42nd, who has solved?
Ma'am, I have solved.
I have solved.
Ma'am, even I have solved.
Yeah. How you have taken the numbers? Can you tell? So 42nd one, given that, find the number of natural numbers between 101 and 999, which are divisible by both 2 and 5. Both 2 and 5. So what do you mean by that?
The number should end with
It
0.
should be, yes, 2 into 5.
That number should be the divisible by 2 also, and that number should be divisible by 5 also. That means that number is a LCM of 2 and 5 both.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So all the multiples of 10 are the numbers. So find out how many numbers are there. So it is starting from 101.
110.
So total numbers, they are asking us to take it from 101 till 999. So 101, the first number, which is a multiple of 10, is 110, 120, 130. And the last number is 990. And then find the position of chair number of 990.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
AN is equal to
990.
what is this? 990. Then A is equal to first term is 110. D is equal to 10. And then find out the n value. AN is equal to nothing is a problem.
8 plus
N is equal to 89.
A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is 990 is equal to 110 plus n minus 1 into T. 110 goes subtracted there. 880 divided by 10 is equal to n minus 1. 88, and this minus 1 goes here as plus 1, that is equal to 89, that is n. So 89 numbers are there. Is it clear? 2 and 5 means 10. The next question doubt, which one has?
43.
43 also, okay. 43 is the 7th term of an AP is 19. 7th term, that means
A7.
A7 is equal to 1 by 9. And 9th term
A9
is equal to 1 by 7. Find its 63rd term. That means A63 we have to calculate. A7 means A plus,
A plus
6D
6D.
is equal to 1 by 9. And A9 means A plus 8D
8D.
is equal to 1 by 7. Linear equation in two variables. A plus 8D is equal to 1 by 7. A plus 6D is equal to 1 by 9. Subtract minus minus minus. This get cancelled. 2D is equal to 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9. So it will be 2D is equal to 9 minus 7 by 63. 9 minus 7 is 2. 2D is equal to 2 by 63. So this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. D is equal to 1 by 63. Now substitute this value of D in any one of the equation to get the value of A. A plus 6D is equal to 1 by 9. A plus 6 into 1 by 63 is equal to 1 by 9. So A is equal to directly the 6 by 63. We'll take it on RHS. 1 by 9 minus 6 by 63. So it is LCM is 63. Here you have to multiply with 7. 7 minus 6, that is 1 by 63. So value of A is also 1 by 63. And now what they are asking, find the 63rd term. So that means A 63 is equal to A plus 62D. A is 1 by 63 plus 62 into 1 by 63. So this is equal to 1 by 63 plus 62 by 63. This is equal to 63 by 63. Answer is 1. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Done. The next question. Next, any doubt? Have you done? Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So pin drop silence. Any doubts till 47?
No, ma'am.
Then 48th question. These are all example questions. From level 2, we will solve all example questions. This is 48th question, right? Middle term I have explained, you know, yesterday. How to find out middle term I have explained.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you remember? Rohit, any doubt you have?
No.
Two middle terms of the AP. Find the sum of two middle terms of the AP. So first find out the position of 4 1/3. 4 1 by 3 is its position. N you have to calculate. Then check whether N is, here it is even because already they are told two middle terms. That means N is even. Then find out the middle terms positions.
Ma'am,
Yes?
and the sum is 3. I mean, I got the sum 3.
Yes, right. Completed? Got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
One has got. What about others? What
Ma'am, I'm
happened?
not able to get the answer.
I got
Why?
no.
My
Ma'am,
first
answer is
n
3.
is minus 16. Is it right?
N will, how it will be negative? N is equal to 4, 1 by 3. That means 12, 13 by 3. A is minus 4 by 3. D is equal to minus 1 plus 4 by 3. That is minus 3 plus 4 by 3. That is 1 by 3.
Okay,
Then
I
it
did a
is,
mistake here. I wrote it minus 1 by
yeah,
3.
obviously. So by that mistakes, it is obvious. So an is 13 by 3, a is minus 4 by 3 plus n minus 1 into d is 1 by 3. Now take this 4 by 3 on other side. 13 by 3 plus 4 by 3, that is equal to 17 by 3, is equal to n minus 1 into 1 by 3. So 17 by 3 into 3. So this 1 by 3 will go on LHS, multiply with 3 is equal to n minus 1. 3 get cancelled. 17 plus 1 is n, that is n is equal to 18. So 18th term is n. N is 18, 18. That means total there are 18 numbers. So if n is even, then middle terms are
N by 2 and n by 2 plus 1.
n by 2th term and n by 2 plus 1th term. So what is n? 18 by 2. That is ninth and 10th terms are the middle terms. So find out A9 and A10. A9 is equal to A plus 8D. And they're asking sum. So instead of finding out directly, you can directly take the sum. A9 is A plus 8D. A10 means A plus 9D. So 2A plus 8 plus 9, 8 and 9 is 17D. So directly 2 into A. A is minus 4 by 3 plus 17 into 1 by 3. So it is minus 8 by 3 plus 17 by 3, which is equal to 9 by 3. That is 3. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. 51st one. How many numbers lie between 10 and 300, which when divided by 4 leave a remainder 3? Yes. Now we have to find out the first AP. Kritika, can you help me?
Ma'am, will the first number be 11?
Yes, it is 11. So check out, start dividing the number with 4 and it will should remain, give the remainder 3. When you divide 10 with 4, what you will get? It is remainder is 2. The next number is 11. When 11 is divided by 4, 11 twos are 8. Then 3 is the remainder. So 11. The next number will be
15.
15. Keep adding 4. Then 19. Then the last number. It is between 10 and 300. That means 300 is not included. So we'll check out for 299. 4. 4 sevens are 28. 19. 4 fours are 16. 3 is the remainder, right? So 299 is the last number. And then find out how many terms are there. So find the value of n.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, what's the question number?
52. No,
Thank you,
51,
ma'am.
51, 51.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, n is equals to 73.
Yes, right, 73.
Ma'am, n is 73.
Yes, right.
N is 73.
Yes, right. Yes, Rohit. Right, right, Karthik. Then the next question is, here you are keep on finding out by yourself. There is no method, no trick to find out. So you have to keep dividing and finding out the answers. So next is for the AP. Completed this question? Everyone, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
For the AP, minus 3, minus 7, minus 11, can we find 830 minus 820 without actually finding the 30th and 20th term? So directly substitute the values of 830 and 820. That means in terms of formula, not the values. 830 minus 820 we have to calculate. So what is 830?
Plus 29D.
A plus 29D minus 820 is,
A plus 19D.
so simplify, this is A plus 29D minus A minus 19D. So A get cancelled. 29D minus 19D is 10D.
D.
So what is the difference?
Minus 4.
D is equal to minus 7 minus of minus 3. That is minus 7 plus 4. That is minus 3.
3.
So it is minus 3. So what is the difference? Minus
The
30.
difference will be minus 4.
Okay, sorry, here it is 3. What I'm doing? So it is minus 4. So it is minus 40. So difference is minus 40.
which question number, ma'am?
Is 53rd one.
Ma'am,
Yes.
we can also find this answer through that formula D is equal to AM minus
Yes.
AN by M minus N.
N minus N, right? But you don't know 30th and 20. Okay, so that's
You just have to find
difference
the
we
difference.
have.
So
Okay, difference we have, and the 30 minus 20 we have, right? You can find out. Can you try this question? This kind of a question one we have solved, if you recall it.
Ma'am, what are we supposed to find in this question?
See what is they have asked. Two APs have the same common difference. The first term of an AP is 2 and that of the other is 7. The difference between their 10th term is same as the difference between their 21st term, which is the same as the difference between any two corresponding terms. Why? So show that it is their 10th term difference and the 21st term difference are same.
Okay, ma'am.
How can we show? Aditya, have you done?
Ma'am, the difference will be -5.
Yes, right. So if you remember, 100th term difference is given 100. And they have asked the difference between 1000 terms. Do you remember that question?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
The same question it is. Now here difference
Yes,
is not
ma'am.
given, the first term of two APs they have given. They have the same common difference. Now two APs, one is AN, another one is A dash N. First term, A is equal to 2 and 7. Difference is same, D, D. Now we have to find out the 10th term difference. Difference of their 10th term, that is A10 and A dash 10. A10 minus A dash 10. That is equal to A plus, it is, we'll consider this as X and first term as X and Y. So X plus 90 minus Y plus 90. So X plus 90 minus Y minus 90, this and this get cancelled. So difference between these two is equal to x minus y. What is x? 2 minus 7, that is minus 5 is the difference. And then 21st term difference will be also the same. 821 minus 8 dash 21, that is equal to x plus 20d minus of y plus 20d. So in this case, x plus 20d minus y minus 20d. So here also we will got x minus y, and that is equal to minus 5. Because when the common difference is same, so difference between every term will be same. That is equal to the difference between the first two terms. This is one MCQ question. They will ask you this as an MCQ. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Then there are few questions are there which are actually level 2 questions, but somewhat different, not in terms of numbers. Have you finished, everyone? Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Astitva, are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The next is some level 2 questions, but they are not in terms of numbers. Those are in terms of variables. So write on the first question. Mth term, if mth term of an AP is n and nth term is m, then show that m plus nth term is 0. Read the question first. First, try to analyze the question and then I will solve it, because right now I will solve it, you will not understand anything. What they have told,
Ma'am, AM is equal to N and AN is equal to M.
sorry. Here m times mth term. I'm really sorry. This is m times mth term is equal. No. This is not the question. Wait. This is not the question. I forgot. Sorry. If m times the mth term is equal to n times nth term, then show that m plus nth term is 0. Then that upper question is right, but the show that that part is wrong. M times mth term is equal to n times nth term. This means how to represent it? Gautam, wait. Gautam, can you tell?
Ma'am, m into mth term, which is uh, a plus m minus 1 into d.
This directly we'll write first mth term, that is am, is equal to
n times the nth term.
n times nth term. Okay, then we have to simplify this. So this simplification, m into bracket am means a plus m minus 1 into d. Yes.
A plus n minus 1 into d.
Okay, right. Then open the bracket, simplify it. First we'll inside the inner one bracket we will open a plus md minus d. Outside it is m, that is equal to n into bracket a plus nd minus d. Multiply inside am plus m square d minus md, that is equal to an plus n square d minus nd. Okay. Take all these terms on LHS, sorry. Equal like terms right together. This is a into m, not mth term. It is a into m, and the like term is an. So I will write first that one, an, then plus m square d, like one is n square d minus n square d, then minus md, and this n plus nd is equal to 0. Is this step right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now take two terms and factorize. From first two terms, what we can do? A common. So we can. So it is m minus n. Now here d common, m square minus n square. Now minus d common. So it is m minus n is equal to 0. Now further, can you take m minus n common from everywhere?
Yes.
All the three
Yes,
terms?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Then what is it after that? M minus n is common. So what is left in the bracket then? What will be left?
A plus dm
Plus-
minus dn
D into bracket
minus d.
m plus n minus d. Now the middle one, is the middle term clear? This was m square minus n square. So can you write like this one as factorize m plus n into m minus n? So from that m minus n we have taken common. So what is left out? M plus n is left out. Then now further, this m minus n outside bracket, this is into this one. So this m minus n will go to RHS, will become 0 by m minus n. So a plus, now from these two terms take d common, d into bracket m plus n minus 1, and that is equal to 0 by m minus n, which is 0. 0 by anything is 0. Now what we will get then? D will write at the end a plus m plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. This is our first equation. And now whose value they have asked to find out? Which value they have asked to find out?
an plus an.
Not am plus an, m plus n.
plus n.
So they have asked m plus nth term. That means the value of n is m plus n. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Can you repeat it again?
Here they are asking m plus nth term. Suppose m is 10 and n is 15. So what they are asking to find out? 25th term. if m in this question, m is 10 and n is 15, then they are what they are asking, m plus nth term. That means m is 10 and n is 15. So 10 plus 15, that is 25th term they are asking to find out. That means m plus n is one term. There is no, that is simplification. I keep on telling you, m plus n. M plus nth term is represented by am plus n. There is no multiplication or no addition. You should not solve that with the linear equation method.
Okay.
So that is m plus nth term. That means n is m plus n. When you are writing the formula as an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is the position. So what is the position? They have told that the sum of the two terms, which we have considered earlier. Then what is the formula then? What will be the formula? A m plus nth term is equal to
A plus m plus n minus d
minus 1.
minus
Minus
1
1.
into d.
Okay. So value of this already we have calculated.
0.
0.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These questions are asked for 3 marks. You have to practice. I know that is immediately in one shot you can't remember or understand this one. You have to practice 2 to 3 times these questions. There are 2 more questions of this kind are there. And this question actually you have solved in terms of numbers. Only you didn't realize it because those were numbers. So you have done calculation easily. So remember, it is told 10 times the 10th term is equal to 15 times the 15th term. Then find out the 25th term. Have you solved that question? Do you remember that question?
Yes, ma'am.
can you scroll?
Completed this question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next question. If mth term is 1 by n, mth term of an AP, if mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by m, then show that mnth term is 1. Then mnth term is 1. Question clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Just now you have solved this question today. This one. 7th term is 1 by n. 9th term is 1 by 7. Then what is the 63rd term? That is what you got. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The same question. But here that was a number, so it was easy for you. But this, you had to follow the same step here also in terms of m and n. So what they have given, mth term is 1 by n. That means am is equal to 1 by n and an is equal to 1 by m. Okay. Now substitute the values. Am means a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by n. And an means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 1 by m. Now these are linear equation in two variables. Simplify and subtract. Open the bracket. A plus md minus d is equal to 1 by n. A plus nd minus d is equal to 1 by m. Now this is second and this is first equation. So subtract a plus md minus d is equal to 1 by n and a plus nd minus d is equal to 1 by m. Subtract minus minus plus. A minus a becomes 0. D minus d plus d becomes 0. So it is md minus nd, that means m minus n into d is equal to, this is also minus, so 1 by n minus 1 by m. Just we have done the same thing, I think so. So it was 1 by 7 minus 1 by 9 we got in that question. Now here also the same thing. Now simplify, take LCM. LCM is mn. So this is m minus n is equal to m minus n into d. So you got 2d is equal to 2 by 63 you got. So 2 you have cancelled. So here also m minus n and this m minus n get cancelled. So value of D is equal to 1 by Mn. That is, you got 1 by 63 because M and N are 7 and 9 was there. Now substitute this value in any one of the equation to get the value of A. A plus MD minus D is equal to 1 by N. Substitute the D value. A plus M into 1 by Mn minus 1 by Mn is equal to 1 by N. So this get cancelled. A plus 1 by N minus 1 by Mn is equal to 1 by N. So this 1 by N and this 1 by N becomes 0, because if this is a positive, it will go other side, will become negative and get cancelled. So A minus 1 by Mn is equal to 0. So what is the value of A? A is
1
also
by Mn.
1
1 by Mn. So there also you got the 1 by 63. In that question you got 1 by 63.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now you
ma'am.
have to calculate the mnth term. M into N. So this is the representation. So N value is Mn. So it is A plus Mn minus 1 into D. Now substitute the value of A. A is 1 by Mn plus Mn minus 1 into 1 by Mn. Simplify. 1 by Mn plus Mn into 1 by Mn minus 1 by Mn. So this and this get cancelled. 1 by Mn minus 1 by Mn, that is also get cancelled. So this get cancelled, that means plus 1 by 1, that is 1, which is equal to 1. So mnth term is 1 always. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Follow the same method what you have done in terms of numbers. For the variables also you have to do the same thing. Yes, Akshaya? Any doubt?
Ma'am, I have Sanskrit tuition at 3. Can I leave the meeting?
Yeah, you can. Now it is
Thank
done.
you.
Everyone are leaving.
Ma'am, even I've completed. Can I leave?
Yes, if you have done,
Thank you,
can
ma'am.
do.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Ma'am,
Yes,
well, what is today's homework?
today's homework. The 4 questions are not there. No homework.
Okay, ma'am.
Revise for the next test. What is the
Which
test
one?
next one? One is
Bio.
refraction. Bio, I think so, I told her.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
said bio the last week.
Yeah, last week bio, yes, this week I told bio.
So we'll only have biology test or any other test as well.
Biology test 1 on Friday it will be. And Sunday will be maths. Maths first chapter done, second chapter, third chapter.
Equations.
Third chapter, linear equations. And in that it is NCRT only first.
Okay.
So first we will do NCRT only.
So on Friday we'll be having biology and on
Biology.
Sunday
And
maths.
Sunday it is maths test.
Okay. Ma'am, biology will have objective test, right?
No, subjective. This time subjective.
Okay, ma'am.
No, take it this one, objective. That is better first. Then when you are done with the objective, then we will do the subjective.
Ma'am, I'm done. Can I leave?
Yes, you can.
Even I have completed. Can I leave?
Okay. Other tuitions are started?
Oh, ma'am.